is a miracle, doc. They counted me out.
And we're back. It is another beautiful day to work on this piece of shit Honda EG Civic. I don't even know what year it is. Made between 92 and 95. All right, guys, let's get cracking. We got a lot of work ahead of us. I feel the key to the success in any project is snacks. You have to have snacks. So I encourage you to go to Bulk Barn and buy yourself a bunch of snacks, because that's going to be the make or break of your project. I'm already feeling more optimistic about this. We're moving in the right direction. I guess we'll get sanding here. I don't want to sand today, but we're sanding here.
Hickory dickory dock, giving them all that we got. Kick on the door, try to knock, but nobody answered. I'm going hard and taking my chances. I keep it moving, I keep advancing, keeping it gangster. Getting the crumbs and I'm happy to earn them. Mr. Ambitious, kill it, I'm vicious. Mr. Determined, riding the focus on rainbow connections like Kermit. The water on my shoulders, it was a burden. Now I don't notice it, everything turning, everything shifting. Doing it different, I'm floating, I'm drifting. Shout out the slums, round the world we uplifted. Doing the big. We about to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We about to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We about to change the game. We about to change the game.
Something like that after a couple of coats. If you look close though, you can see all the streaks in it. A few chunks that has started to gel up on me, but we're gonna let that sit for the night. We're gonna come back tomorrow and then we're gonna start sanding it with the orbital to get it flat. I still have to do the side skirt. I was touching it up right there, getting that edge nice and straight. That all said, I will see you guys tomorrow. We're back, guys. It's another beautiful day outside. That's not even true. It's blowing snow and anyway, whatever. We're not getting into it. Our gel coat cured overnight. Today we're gonna get this gel coat sanded. I came up with a plan last night with a side skirt. I think we will probably end up changing that, and let's get cooking. We're gonna start by sanding this gel coat, getting it nice and flat, see what we're working with. Do we need another coat? Do we not need another coat? I don't know. We're gonna see when we get there. Let's cruise. Well, guys, the moment of truth, the big question. Can we get these off of here without completely destroying them? If I should have a psychotic episode because something breaks and I destroy everything, just sit back and enjoy the show. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing off here. I think I'm gonna start on this bottom corner one, and then because it's smaller, we'll work our way into this and then the big one on the back. The rocker panel I haven't finished polishing yet. We'll get to that after. So without further ado, let's try and break some stuff. I actually said that wrong. Let's try not to break any stuff. All right, so I think we're going to, you know what, I know now how a surgeon feels the first time they have to cut a person open, because cutting open my piece of shit Honda Civic is the same thing. Something like that. So anyway, I'm gonna go around, I think, and try and break the seal. Now, you know this stuff's on here good, because I just finished polishing it. There's a lot of, if you've ever done any polishing, there's a lot of resistance. So we know this is on there pretty good. So I'm just gonna go around and see what I could do here. I don't have a lot to work with, but let's see what we can do. I do know that I have to fix it right there, but I expect there to be some repairs when I get this off here. Like, it's already splitting right there. I think I'm gonna try and come at it from under here. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Talk to daddy. Talk. Oh! It worked! Oh, shit! Man, it actually looks really good. Let's try that on the big one now. I gotta put this somewhere it's not gonna get wrecked. Minty. All right, let's put that over here. I'm not gonna freak out. I'm not gonna freak out like everybody thinks I'm going to.
I'm not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do. Flip out, man.
I might. This is pretty friggin' scary shit. I'll tell you that right now. Yeehaw! Look at that, boys. Look at. Right? It's literally a fender. How awesome is that? Like I said before, I've never done this before. I'm actually a little bit excited, just a little bit excited. Not as excited as you might think. I'm gonna clean up this edge. Not too much though, because I wanted to leave this open. So I'm just trying to think, so should I gel coat the bottom here? Because, I don't know, I have to think about that. Come back to that. How awesome is that? Well, it wouldn't be a day in the wide body world for Steve if we didn't have a problem. We have a problem, because that's the second problem today. Why wouldn't we have another problem? Allow me. So this is the rear of the car. I haven't had this view because the car, well, I mean, look at the line on the floor. The car has been sitting there for weeks now. But the problem I'm seeing, if I'm looking at this right, is that fender overlay or over fender to that one is about a half, maybe a little more than a ½ inch lower. And I thought I measured it right, but I must have been off a little bit. So that's gonna need to get addressed before I pull that off of there. So, which is awesome because this one, although I didn't get to polishing it, actually this is a good time to catch it because I'll just cut it here, all the way along here. It's about here, and then that should all meet up, and then I'll just have to fix that. Well, guys, I don't know about you, but I've had enough for the day. I'm gonna leave this. I'm actually gonna put the engine in this car, so I'll be probably a week before the next upload. And I need to trim that panel. I've got all kinds of work to do on this piece of shit. I don't know why I committed to this. I don't know why. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.